So let's review the project scope for this project. It's called cryptocurrency rates. A very popular topic these days is cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to show you how to add this into your website. So first, it's going to consume the data from a REST API. It's going to convert from 3 different currencies, United States dollar, Great Britain pound, and euros, into 100 different cryptocurrencies. It's going to be developed using classes, arrow functions, async await, and the fetch API. And finally, it's going to add a small image that is going to simulate that we are doing some calculations. So let's review the project. This is going to be the project cryptocurrency rates calculator. And you can see here we have currency. From here you can select between 3 currencies, the United States dollar, Great Britain pound, or euros. So let's select the first one, United States dollar. And from here you can select between 100 different cryptocurrencies. To be honest, I didn't know that there are so many cryptocurrencies before developing this project. These cryptocurrencies are going to be displayed from a REST API. So in case that there are new cryptocurrencies or some of these doesn't exist anymore, this is going to be updated by the REST API. So let's select Bitcoin, and we're going to click here on Get Valuation. So click here, we're going to make some calculations, and you can see we have the price of Bitcoin, and this is going to be the price. We're going to add some extra information. For example, in the last hour, the value of Bitcoin has decreased in this minus 2.38%. In the last day, we have this. And in the last 7 days, we have minus 7.46%. So let's select, for example, Great Britain pound, get valuation, and we're going to query the server again. And you can see we have the result. The price of Bitcoin from Great Britain pound is this one. So let's select now euro, and we're going to select Ethereum. Click here on Get Valuation. It's going to get the results, and it's going to print the value. It's going to print in the last hour. You can see it decreased the value in minus 2.47%, but in the last day, in the last 7 days, it grew the value 8.31%. So you can select between 100 different cryptocurrencies, and you can convert from these 3 currencies. I'm going to show you how you can add more of these currencies. So if you want to add the currency from your country into this cryptocurrency rates calculator, it's going to be one of the most complex and complete projects for this course. It's going to use several different techniques, very advanced techniques also. So let's continue working, developing this project in the next video.